In this tutorial, we'll use 3D Model to Render to transform a simple model into a realistic architectural visualization. Start by opening the 3D Model to Render app and uploading your 3D model or viewport screenshot. This works great for early design concepts, massing studies, or unfinished models that need realistic materials and atmosphere. Next, describe the look you're aiming for. Remember to mention specific angles you're after. Include details like architectural style, materials, landscaping, lighting, or the overall mood. The more context you provide, the more accurately Rendair can interpret your design. Different AI models will give different results. If the first result isn't exactly what you're looking for, refine your prompt and generate another variation. Iterating is a key part of the creative process, and small prompt adjustments can make a big difference. Once you've found a strong result, you can continue refining it using other Rendair apps. Try Change Material to explore different facade finishes. Use Populate Render to add people and create a stronger sense of scale. Since all of these edits happen within the same session, every change builds on the previous result instead of starting from scratch. Finally, use Upscale to produce a high-resolution image that's ready for presentations, competitions, or client reviews. Whether you're working from a rough concept model or a detailed design, 3D Model to Render helps you turn your ideas into realistic visualizations in just a few clicks.